This is Barnestorm training for the task of changing a medication. To get started, you want to make sure that you have a patient selected. And if you look up at the top of the screen, this is a good place to check to make sure that you have the correct patient. You may change a medication by clicking on the Med History button on the main menu. And this will bring up your Med History screen. You can also change a medication on the Review Med screen from your visit note. Both of these options will bring up this screen here. From here, click the medication you wish to change. So let's go ahead and click on Motrin. And now you want to click on the Add New Dose Frequency Route button. And this will bring up the Add Edit Medicine screen. The medication information will appear, and you want to go ahead and indicate the effective date for this medication change. By default, this will appear as today's date, but you want to change it to match the date that is on the prescription bottle by clicking the arrow next to the date and then selecting the date. Beside the date, you can click on the C for change, and this will indicate that there's been a change in the medication on your visit note. And this item is optional. Next, check that the doctor indicated matches the doctor who prescribed the medication. If the doctor does not match, clear the doctor's name and type in the first 3 letters of the correct doctor's name. This will bring up a list of doctors, and you can select the correct doctor from the list. When changing a medication, we recommend unclicking the Med Builder. This will show the existing text for the dose frequency and route. You may correct the dosage by selecting and typing over the dosage. For an example, let's change the dose to 20 milligrams. If there are additional changes required for the medication, you may type it in as well. Once you have completed the changes, click the Save and Exit button in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you back to the main medication list, and you will see that the medication now has a new date indicator for the dose, frequency, and route. Keep in mind that the date associated with this medication change will determine which dosage will appear on the 485. For additional instructions on adding medications, click the Help button located on the main menu near the bottom, and then click on Patient Histories, Med Histories, and this will give you a list of articles with how-to instructions for medications. Click the article you would like to see instructions for, and when you're done, right-click and select the Back button, and this will bring you back to the main list. If you don't see the article you want, click on Find More Answers here down at the bottom, and this will bring up more articles for you to choose on this topic. If you click on an article here on our knowledge base site, you have options on the right side of the screen. If you scroll down, you can email the article, print the article, you could bookmark the article, and export as a PDF, which will save to your computer. And this concludes our training on changing a medication.